Dear students, welcome to Classic Adda. Now we are all locked at our own home and your school also shut down due to COVID-19 epidemic. But don't waste your valuable time. Use this time to learn something. So today's topic is computer programming language. Computer programming language divided into three levels. One is low level, second one is middle level, and third one is high level. Into these three levels, computer programming languages are divided. So low level, which one is low level language? Low level language, it is the directly understandable language by the computer. So which language is directly understandable by the computer? That is called 0 and 1. Computer cannot understand any other languages. Computer only knows 0 and 1. These 0 and 1 also known as binary. At the earlier time, computer only used to solve some arithmetic operation, and computer used by the scientist. On the computer, it was not so easy by the user. So to make it easy, develop middle level language. The example of the middle level language is assembly language. This language also known as alphanumeric language. Some code developed instead of 0 and 1 to work on the computer. So but this language also cannot understandable by the computer directly. To understand by the computer, use translator. So assembler use as a translator in this level. Assembler used to translate assembly language to the binary language and binary language to the assembly language. So it was also not so easy to work on the computer with the help of this language, because many codes used to remember first used to remember to for work on the computer. So next, high level language. For that reason, high level language was introduced. So many high level languages are there, like first high level language was ALGOL, then introduced BASIC, then C, then C++, then Java, Python, and so on, etc. These are all high level language, and these language comparatively equal to our English language, and it is also easy to understand than binary language and assembly language. But these languages also cannot understand by the computer directly. So to understand by the computer this language, in this level, high level, they use two translators. One is compiler and another is interpreter. Interpreter. These tools are translator of the high-level languages. With the help of computer programming language, we can give instruction to the computer to do work something. We also use some software to do work something, and at the background software have many instructions, and these instructions written by a particular programming language. On the next class, I will discuss a particular programming language, that is Java. In the next class, I will discuss Java. So keep with my channel and learn the programming language. Thank you.